Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain one important aspect of science of class 10, and that is from the chapter light. There are three important properties of light, that is reflection, refraction and dispersion. Means what exactly we mean by reflection, refraction and dispersion, that I'll be explaining in this video in simple words along with one example for each. The very first thing, that is reflection. Reflection is nothing but the bouncing back of the light ray. So whenever the light ray falls on any surface, when it bounces back, that is called as reflection of light. Reflection takes place in the case of mirror. So the example is, we can see our face in mirror, and that is because of the reflection. Now the second important property is refraction. Refraction is the bending of light ray. When the light ray passes from one medium to the another medium, the light ray bends. Bends means it changes its direction, and this is called as refraction of light. Means when the light ray travels from air to glass, or from air to water, or from water to glass, or from water to air. So whenever the light ray changes the medium, it bends, means it changes its direction, and this is called as refraction. The simple example this is, if you place a pencil in the glass which is half filled with water, you will find the pencil bends. The pencil bends exactly at that borderline where the water starts. This bending is not because of the actual bend in the pencil, but it is because of the refraction. So just place one pencil in the glass which is half filled with water, you will find the effect of refraction. Now the third property is dispersion. Dispersion is the splitting of light ray into its constituent colors. Now our common white ray constitutes of 7 colors, that is the colors of our rainbow with GR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So if this white light is allowed to pass through prism, we can see the band of 7 colors. So the splitting of light ray into its constituent colors is called as dispersion. So the example is same what I told you, that if the light ray passes through the prism, we can see the band of 7 colors, and this band of 7 colors is called as spectrum. So I think the difference between reflection, refraction and dispersion of light is quite clear to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share this video among your friends. And to get the updates of such useful and interesting videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj classes. So my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.